Hello and welcome back. This is HTML, CSS and JavaScript training. My name is Mohsin Ahmed. Today we are going to learn how to write some HTML tags. So let's start. I'm just going to write some tags which we will learn in this lesson. And this is lesson number 3. And I'm just writing B tag, BR tag, HR tag, I, U, SUP, SUP, H, and P, and center, small, big, W, S. So these are the texts which we will learn today. B is for bold and BR for break line, H for horizontal line, or you can say horizontal row, for line, okay, to make italic, to make underline, sub is for subscript, and superscript, H for, it is not H, it is H1 to H6 for heading or subheading, you can say. P for paragraph tag, center for to align center by using HTML tag, small for small tag, and B for it is all about sizes, small size and big size. T and T, E, L and S, both they are for strike through. Okay, this is also strike through. Okay, HTML the start tag and HTML close tag. Okay, one hat tag, and the hat tag is very important, but right now I'm not going to cover this particular tag, because right now basically we are just taking a very basic example of HTML. Okay, when we will discuss about the script and style and some other advanced things in HTML, so we'll take care of hat tag. Right, body tag. Body is the important tag. Okay, whatever you are going to write in the body tag, that will reflect on your browser. Okay, I'm just going to write something. Okay, hi there, this is my first HTML page or web page. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save this particular page, and we need to know about how to save the page. Okay, and the main thing is that we need to know about the extension of that page. Okay, the extension of HTML page is obvious HTML. You can also save with .html as well, but in our case I'm just going to use HTML .html. Okay, you can put any name, you can choose any name, there is no compulsion. Okay, so I'm just going to save that page, and in my case I'm just going to change the directory. Okay, and in E drive there is one of the folder, one of the directory, web designing online. Okay, and this is test1.html. The main important thing is that HTML, I'm just going to put extension. Okay, so now check the output of that page. Okay, we need any browser, like in my case I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, and there is an option in Notepad++. If you go to the run, and there is launch in Firefox, launch in Internet Explorer, launch in Google Chrome, and I'm just going to hit launch in Google Chrome. Okay, so here is the output. hi there, this is my HTML page or web page. I just want to put a web page. Now to the Chrome and hit refresh. The reflection is there. Okay, so now test all these tags. Okay, so I need some basic paragraph examples. Okay, so I'm just going to open Word. Is equals to RAND 1, 5, 4. This is simple default text. Okay, minimize it, and I'm just, first of all I am taking paragraph example p tag. Okay, and closing p tag, simple, and paste, copy context. Okay, simple. Save it and refresh the page. Simple. Okay, now copy again and paste, save it, refresh the page. You can see you have two paragraphs. Okay, every time when you use new paragraph, it will automatically reflect on the next line, break the line, or you can say the next paragraph. Okay, now paragraph done. Okay, now come back to the bold, BR and HR. So first of all, if I want to make any word bold, so we have done P tag, I tag, underline tag. Now check BR and HR. If I want to break a row from here, okay, so just put BR, simple. Where did you put? After block, and after block there is a break. One more BR, which means one more break row. Okay, if you want to put one more BR, BR is a self-closing tag. Okay, simple. Now if you want to draw a line before this paragraph, okay, so just simple, use HR, and now the line, a horizontal row. Okay, you can treat as a line over there. These are the very simple tags. Okay, now center small, let's have a look. HR. Okay, so I'm here, this is my headline, H1, closing H1 and opening H1. Control S. This is my H1. Okay, this is simple H1 tag. And now here H2 tag. This is another heading, h2. Bit little size. Okay, now it is subheading, you can say. Now we have h3, h4, h5 and h6. h3, h4, h5, h6. Save and check. So these are the various variation of h1 to h6 tags. Simple. You can use according to your requirement. Now let's have a look SNBEL. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one. You can also take care to there. S tag, I'm just going to close S. Now is the example. You can, it's type through. Okay, just cutting the text, and the same as for delete as well. It's a substitute of S tag. You can see the example. Okay, it's very simple. Now let's take an example of other tags which are subscript and superscript. Okay, and I'm just going to remove all these tags. Okay, so I just want to write powers. Okay, like x to the power 3. Okay, so I need to put subscript tag. Okay, closing subscript, save and refresh the page again. So you can, as you can see, x to the power 3. Okay, it is subscript tag. Now use br, and I just want to write scientific name of water, which is H2O. Okay, and need to use subscript. So it's a subscript tag. Save and refresh. H2 H2. Okay, so this is an example of subscript and superscript. You must have learned. Okay, now take another examples which are remaining, like center tag and small and big. So let's have a look. Center tag. This is a center tag example. Simple. Okay, save and refresh. I just want to put in a center alignment. Okay, so there is a tag center, SCN center. This is the example. Okay, it's a simple center tag. If you want to ask me to put left align, right align, justify, we don't have these type of tag. We will cover it when we have CSS. Okay, we have CSS property to handle all these things, to take care of all these things. Okay, so we'll see after some time.